Hello guys, my name is Saurav Ganguly and let's start a home security alarm system. So now I am going to share this project. This project is home security alarm system using Arduino Uno and PIR sensor module. So PIR sensing nothing but passive infrared sensor. Okay, basically it is designed to detect the humans movement and immediately active to alarm to the improve home security. So it is creating for this purpose. So basically, let's now talk about components. So I'm using a few components. So main component is the PIR sensor. So it's detect the infrared waves which comes from the humans. So humans emit the radiation waves. So it's detect value. So it okay. So this is you using for this purpose. So for this project, we have used following pro components to create this project. So for this project, we have used following components. So first one is Arduino Uno. So this is very important components that is called microcontroller. So it will process overall things. So second one is PIR sensor. PIR sensor is passive infrared sensor. Okay, so it is used to detect the human or animals and living with which comes in surround of home. Okay, and also I have used buzzer to alarm, and it will alarm to the homeowner. And so other one is LEDs. So green LEDs and red LEDs for uh, blinking purpose. So basically, these are the components I'm using in our project. So basically, these are the components which are using in our project. Okay, this is the male to female, female to male jumper wire. This is the breadboard. This is the PS sensor, buzzer, and data USB cable and LEDs and microcontroller. It's Arduino Uno board. Okay, so now let's understand. So I have connected components to the Arduino. So this is the PI sensor. So PI sensor have three pins. Uh, First one is ground, second one is 5 volt, and third one is signal. So ground pin to connect ground and 5 volt pin to VCC of Arduino, and I have connected to the signal pin to the Arduino board of the pin number two. Basically, it image generated by the AI. So, but it is good to explain. And so buzzer has two pins. First one is ground, second one is positive 5 volt. So positive 5 volt pins connected to the pin number 4, and ground pin also connected to the ground. And also I have connected these pins to the accordingly digital pins. So red LED connected to the digital pin uh, 5 of Arduino, and green LED pins connected to the Arduino 6, or last one is white LED. I have connected to the pin number 7 of digital Arduino board pin. Okay, so these are the circuit connections. So I have given the 9 volt battery from out source to active this board. Okay, so this is the circuit connection. Okay, so let's move on the coding part. So basically, this is the coding part, and if you want to create Arduino code, so you have to install Arduino IDE software, and you can write code in this IDE. Okay, so I have already written this code because if I create present time this code, so the video can be long. So for this reason, I will explain only this code or line by line. Okay, so first line, it is used to uh, connect with digital pin 2 of Arduino with the PIR sensor. Okay, so second pin is connected to the 4 of digital pin of Arduino with the buzzer pin. Okay, so these are the LED pin: green LED, red LED, and white LED. So these are connected in sequence 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so what setup? What setup is used to run one time of our code. So and it is defined to this process. Okay, so pin mode. Pin mode is a function. It is used to define your output and input device. So according to your need. So PIR sensor is a input device. So we are taking as an input value from the PIR sensor. So we have to define input. Okay. So buzzer pin uh, connected to the output. I have defined connected. I have defined of output to of a buzzer pin because of buzzer is output device. Okay. So also pins, all LED pins are outputs pins. Okay. So it will give the output value. So next, initial state no motion. So I have defined when no motion detected. So it will high white LED high will be on, red LED high, and green LED low, and buzzer LED also low. Okay. So serial dot begin 9600. So it is using to baud rate. So okay. Uh, so this is the void loop. So in this void loop, if we want to run our code again and again, so for this purpose we write the code in the for loop, void loop. Okay, so it is used uh, to create uh, uh, again our project code. Okay. So motion detected. So motion if PI sensor is detected an emotion, so it will read the value and it will send the value to the microcontroller or Arduino Uno board. And so we have defined if else condition. So when motion detector equal to high, then these are devices will be on. Okay. So and if no motion is detected, so else loop will execute, and according to else loop, so devices are uh, given the value. Okay, so this is the code part of my project. Okay, so let's move on the working of my project. So okay, this is the working process of my video of my project. In this video, I am showing to you. Okay, as you can see, so you can see when motion is detected. Okay, motion is detected. It is showing you. So let's have it. So you can see.
The not motion detected, so it is showing to us the motion. It is not detected when we uh, so when any type of infrared waves like if the humans as a my hand, and so it is detecting, and okay, so it's green LED will be off and red LED will be on because of the this is these are used for the signal